Jamaica record no murders on the final day of 2025. Hi again and welcome. This is Links
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. Jamaica ended the year 2025 with one final success in its efforts to reduce murders and major crime across the country. This as there were no reported murders on December 31, 2025, the final day of the year. Links 7 TV News understands that 673 people were killed in 2025. That represents a 31-year low in murders in Jamaica. The last time fewer people were killed was in 1994 when the murder tally was 628. The last time Jamaica recorded fewer than 1,000 murders in a calendar year was in 2004 when the murder tally was 975. The 43% decline in murders in 2025 represents the third consecutive year of decline in homicides. In the year 2022, there were 1,498 murders, an increase of 24 over the previous year. In 2023, there were 1,393 murders, and in 2024, there were 1,141 murders. In correspondence sent to the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake thanked the members for their efforts in achieving what he described as an historic low in murders in 2025. He hailed the constabulary's professionalism, teamwork, and unwavering commitment in achieving the 3-decade low in murders. He also went on to urge his colleagues to build on the success of 2025 to reduce murders even further in 2026.
My fellow Jamaicans, thank you for joining us for this end-of-year update as we reflect on the state of crime and public safety in Jamaica for 2025. This year has been one of sustained effort, disciplined execution, and clear resolve on the part of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It has not been without its challenges. However, it has also been a year in which strategy, accountability, and partnership have translated into measurable outcomes for the Jamaican people. In 2017, our beautiful nation recorded in excess of 1,640 murders. At that time, we had made the resolve that we will never get back there. That year, we recorded the third highest number of murders in our country's history. And so we have used that year as the benchmark year with which we measure our progress today. At the start of 2025, we made a clear commitment to consolidate the gains of previous years whilst intensifying our focus on violent crime, particularly murders and shootings. As we stand here today, I can say with confidence that 2025 will be remembered as a year in which hundreds of lives were saved and violent crime was significantly reduced. Let me begin with what is perhaps the most important indicator of public safety. Murders are down by 43% nationally. As at December 20, 2025, Jamaica has recorded 649 murders, represented 487 fewer murders than the same period in 2024. This is not a marginal improvement. It is a substantial reduction, and it reflects cumulative impact of intelligence-led policing, focused operations against gangs, enhanced firearms interdiction, and the commitment of our officers on the ground.
This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.